Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one subscribe, two like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. All right. Thank you for all your support. And we are running to 3K. Yes, malapit na tayo maging 3,000. So for now, our lesson is about solving a linear equation in two variables by its intercepts. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. A linear equation in two variables has this formula. So a linear equation in two variables can be written in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, where a and b not both zero. So this is form is called standard form. Now, let us determine the values. So from our previous video or about slopes, let us determine the value of an n so that the line passes through its pair of points has a given value. Okay, so let's have this. Given here, we have for x sub 1, okay, and we have x sub 2, and our y sub 1, I mean x sub 2 is missing, and the y sub 1 is 5, where our slope is 7. From the formula, m no is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so since our m is 4 over 7, no, so let's write that. Of course, our y sub 2 is missing, so that's n minus 2. Sorry, our x is missing. It's not the y, so our y is 5 minus 1 over n minus 2. Okay, so let's simplify first. So we have 4, 7. That's equals to 4 over n minus 1. Minus 2, I mean. Okay, so let's move it here at the top. So we have 4, 7. That is equal to 4 over n minus 2. Okay, so we can use here, so that is 4n minus 8. So what do we do here? So we cross multiply, no? And then 7 times 4 is equals to 28. Okay, so 4n is equals to 28 plus 8. We transpose 8, no? So that's plus 8. So we get 4n is equals to 28, 36. Okay, so 36 divided by 4, our n is equals to 9. Okay, so that's how we get the value of n. Okay, next. So we have here the intercept. So this one is what we call the y. No, the vertical line is y, and the horizontal line is the x, or we call it is x-axis. So the y-intercept for the line intersects at y-axis. So we have here the point, no, which is the y-intercept, and this is the point where we can get the x-intercept. Oh, so where the line intersects in the x-axis. Okay. Next, so in finding the intercepts, when the graphing the equation of the line, so let y is equal to 0 to find the x-intercept, and let x is equal to 0 to find the y-intercept. Okay? So here, in finding the intercept, so find the x and y-intercepts of 2x minus y is equal to 6. So, and the graph the equation. So here, in finding the x-intercepts, of course, we let the y is equal to 0. That's why I have 2x minus y is equal to 6. So 2x minus 0 equals to 6. So then 2x is equals to, so therefore we have x is equals to 3. So the x-intercept is 3, 0. In finding the y-intercepts, let us let x is equal to 0. So 2x minus y is equal to 6. So 2 times 0 minus y, that's why we have negative 6 equals to 6. Or y is equals to negative 6. So therefore, the two intercepts that are 2 points are 3, 0 and 0, negative 6. Okay? It's easy, right? Next, so here we need to graph. So 3, 0, so that means okay here. So this that's why we have a point here, and 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have here. So this is the graph of the point. No? So this is the graph of 2x minus y is equals to 6. Okay. Okay, so let's hear we need to find the x and y intercept of each. So let's do the letter A first. So perhaps you can do on your own later the other, no? So for x is equals to 0, that means 3 times 0 is minus 2y is equals to 6. So negative 2y is equals to 6 divided by negative 2. Therefore, y is equals to 3. Okay. Now, if your y is equals to 0, that means your x is 3x is equals, minus 0 is equals to 6. Therefore, no, divided by 3. Okay, so x is equals to 2. Okay, so if you have line graph, or if you have the graph, so you can easily doing this, no? Anyway, we'll explain it in the board, no, on our lesson. But if you have line this, if you have like this, the x and y intercept, that one is easy. So for example, okay, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0 and 3. Just imagine you have a grid here. 0, our x or y intercept is 3, no? 0, 3. That means our point is here, no? And then 2. Then try to connect this, no? Okay. Yan. Okay, so this is your graph for 3x minus 2y is equals to 6. Okay, so perhaps here, no, like this, if your y is equals to 4, of course, that means your x is equals to 0. No, pwedeng baliktarin if your x is 0. So that's easy. The same also here. You can just interpole. So, but the best for this example in finding x and y is in the standard form like this. All right. So for questions and clarifications, please leave your comment at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And mega love shout out to all my teams, Organic Barcadas, YDC International, Team Solid Family, Team Prudis, and other friends who have our collab, no, Team Collab, and of course, everyone out there who are supporting, especially to all my students. And this lessons is for you. Please take it in heart, and thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. See you again.